Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something that might hit a little deep. Why is it that when you cared the most, they cared the least? But the moment you went silent, they suddenly started noticing you. Why does your silence shake them more than all your love ever did? Think about that. When you called, they ignored you. When you texted, they took their time. When you tried harder, they became more relaxed. But when you disappeared, now they're watching, now they're wondering, now they feel your absence. That's not a coincidence. That's human nature. And today, you're going to understand it on a deeper level. Listen closely. The world does not respect desperation. It respects strength. It doesn't reward chasing. It rewards self-control. The moment you stop running after people, you force them to face your absence. And absence hits harder than any argument ever could. Stoic warriors understood this well. They didn't beg. They didn't over-explain. They didn't react emotionally. They remained steady, calm, and unshaken. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." That means you don't control them. You control yourself. And when you master yourself, you become untouchable. This video isn't about revenge. It's not about playing games. It's about taking your dignity back. It's about walking away from anything that treats you like an option. It's about becoming so strong internally that nothing can shake you. If you're tired of feeling ignored, tired of chasing, tired of feeling small, then this is your turning point. From this moment forward, you move differently. You speak less, you chase less, you value yourself more. And before we go further, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. My presence is a privilege, not a guarantee. Number 1, stop chasing. Take your power back right now. Stop chasing anyone who isn't chasing you back. Stop begging for replies. Stop checking your phone every few minutes. Stop shrinking yourself just to stay in someone's life. That behavior is draining you, breaking you, and worst of all, it lowers your value. And you deserve more than that. Understand this clearly. When you chase, you give your power away. You place them on a pedestal and position yourself beneath them. You think you're showing love, but what you're really showing is fear. Fear of losing them, fear of being alone, fear of not being enough, and people can feel that fear. And once they feel it, they stop respecting you. Number 2, master your silence. Stop reacting, explaining, and defending. Constant replies aren't strength. They're noise. Silence creates mystery and pressure. It shows you can't be controlled. Stay calm, stay composed, and let your silence speak. Number 3, build your value. Instead of proving yourself to them, improve yourself for you. Focus on your body, mindset, money, and purpose. People ignore what feels common, but chase what feels rare. When you level up, your presence becomes valuable. Number 4, control your emotions. Don't react how they expect. Stay calm when they go cold. Your reaction is your power. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens, but how you respond that matters. Number 5, set boundaries. If you don't set limits, people will keep testing you. Stop accepting disrespect. Protect your time and energy. Say less, but stand firm. That's how you earn respect. Number 6, master solitude. Being alone isn't a punishment. It's preparation. Use that time to grow, reflect, and improve. When you're comfortable alone, you stop needing others, and that makes you powerful. Number 7, focus on growth. The best response is success. Stop watching them and start building yourself. Chase progress, not people. Let your results speak. Number 8, protect your peace. You don't owe anyone an explanation for choosing yourself. Stop chasing closure. Just walk away quietly. Real strength is silent. At the end of the day, your presence is a gift, your absence is a lesson, and your peace is non-negotiable. You don't need to fight for attention. Focus on becoming better. Remember the words of Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. You are the one building your strength. You are the one setting your standards. You are the one living unapologetically. Let your life prove your power. Let your calm unsettle those who tried to shake you. Let your silence speak louder than their words ever could. Stand tall, stay disciplined, keep moving forward. You are not a victim of neglect, you are a master of yourself. Now take action, strengthen your mind, protect your peace, grow relentlessly, make your absence unforgettable, and before you go, hit that subscribe button. Join this movement of empowered minds and type in the comments, "I am untouchable, unstoppable, and I choose myself."